This is healer Priya Vijay from Priya Vijay Aku Center. In this video, I am going to show you how to increase the oxygen level by using the various treatment methods such as acupressure, sujok and moksha. So I have planned to, because of this pandemic situation, many people are suffering from the breathing issues and many people are getting afraid like whether what they need to do if they are going to face some issues like that. So just to make them aware of it and to make them aware, no need to afraid of anything and just be bold and increase your immunity and just I'm going to show the points to increase the oxygen level. So once you watch the video, please like it if you like the video, and please post your valuable comment, share it and subscribe it. Mainly share to your contacts as much as possible, because definitely this will be helping them. Okay, so the first point is P6, that is pericardium 6. This point is located, just you have to, from the middle of the wrist line, you need to place your middle 3 fingers like this. At the end of the 3rd finger, this point is located. This is in the middle of this hand only. Okay, from the middle finger, if you draw an imaginary line, this place will be coming. So it's in the middle of the wrist. Okay, so this is P6. The next point is LU6. This point is located here. This point is very powerful point. Why I am telling this much number of is this is really very effective. All the points which I am going to tell is effective, but this point is more effective for the breathing issues. Okay, so this point can be easily located. Just bend your hand like this. Okay, you can very well easily able to feel a tendon here. Okay, this is the biceps tendon. So if you from this bicep tendon, there will be 2 depression in both the side. So in the depression of the exterior side, that is towards the thumb finger, the depression is there, right? So from that position, you have to keep your 4 fingers like this, and at the end of the 4 finger, keep your 3 fingers again. So the end of the 3rd finger is this point. So totally you have to keep your 7 fingers. So 4 first and then 3 next time. So this point you will be having a doubt like whether from this after the 7 finger, whether this should be here or here or here. So just that is also very easy. This is okay. So in the wrist line, at the end of the thumb finger, you will be having a small depression over here. So just draw an imaginary line from between this point and this point. So in this line only this point is located, that is 7 fingers from here. So basically it is in chun measurement we used to tell 5 chun from LU5. This place is LU5. Just you have to mark this, no need to mark this area, just you have to give the pressure. So whatever point I am telling, just please give a gentle pressure using your right hand index finger. This place is basically very sensitive, and this point will definitely stimulate wherever we are touching. Okay, so wherever point I am telling, just place your index finger over there and give a gentle pressure for 1 minute. This you can do 2 times a day. If the problem is worse, like if the person is having too much of breathing problem, they can very well do 4 hours once or even 2 hours once also. The next point is REN 22. So this is just the small depression we used to have behind that Adam apple, no? So this position you have to give a gentle pressure. Okay, and then the next point is K27, that is kidney 27. From this REN 27, from this depression, just keep your 2 fingers like this. At the end of the 2nd finger, this side, you are having that point. This is bilateral, that is you are having here also. So again from this position, just keep your 2 finger this side, opposite side. So basically at this 2 point, you are having this kidney 27, K27 point. You have to give a gentle pressure. Then the next point is REN 17. It is located just between the 2 chest. Okay, in the inner middle line only. Just you have to give a gentle pressure over here. The next point is LU3, that is lung 3. So to locate it, just raise your hand. Okay, then just turn your head, and the place where your tip of the nose touches your hand, that is LU3. Just give a gentle pressure there for 1 minute. The next point is LU11. Okay, so in the thumb finger, you can do whatever point I'm telling, you can do in any of your hand, okay, either right hand or left hand. This is my left hand, okay. So in the thumb finger, at the outside area, okay, exterior side, so at the, here this nail is starting, no, so at this point, okay, so this point is LU11, so here also just give a gentle pressure. So now I'm going to show you how to treat this using the Sujok method. So in Sujok method, if you see, this is the lung area in the basic method. Okay, there are many different methods in Sujok. This is in basic method. Lung area is located here. So just give a gentle pressure. If you have this thumb pad, okay, this is the thumb pad. Just you have to give a gentle pressure like this. And if you have an acupuncture ball like this, magnetic acupuncture ball, just give a gentle pressure all over the area. And if you don't have any of this product also, no need to worry. Either you can buy from us, or even you can, without using this product also, just with the help of your fingers, you have to give a gentle pressure like this, okay, like this in both the area. Then like you can get a transport or paperboard tape also, just tear like this portion and paste. I have pasted mustard over this area. You can paste mustard or pepper also, and whatever place I have shown here, just paste this, okay. For demo I have shown pasted here only. So again, and in another tape you have to paste here also. So after pasting the seeds, just leave it for 8 to 12 hours, and after that you can very well remove it and throw it away. Never reuse the seeds, okay. So this will clear the toxin from the lung, and it will remove the phlegm also and increase the oxygen level. Then the next method is moksha therapy, the third method. So this is the moksha stick. If you want, you can get it from us. This is the new moksha stick. This is the stick which you have already used. Just burn it over. It will be giving you a mild smoke also, and the heat will also be there. Just while showing the moksha, just rest your little finger so that it won't hurt your hand, okay. So just you have to show like this. Once you burn it, you have to just show in that lung area, and along with that, already I have shown you the lung 6 point over here. So here also you can very well show this moksha. This is moxibustion or moksha therapy we used to call. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it will be useful for you. So if you like this video, please like it, and post your valuable feedback in the comment section. Share to n number of your contacts, all your contacts, because definitely it will be beneficial for them. And then subscribe the channel also if you have not done, and click the notification bell icon so that you will be keep on getting notification whenever I'm posting the video. Have a healthy life in a natural way. Thank you.